Is the team in danger now that a video of Amber attacking Zoe has been released? As seen with Johnny's children, and now with Jason Momoa's ex-stepdaughter Zoe Kravitz, Amber appears to have a tendency to dislike other people's children. Why would Amber, however, attack Zoe? After 16 years together, Jason Momoa and Lisa Bonet got a divorce, citing the pressure and changes of these revolutionary times as the reason. According to the unconfirmed rumors that have attracted substantial social media attention, the Aquaman actor's persistent support for his co-star Amber, despite her public attacks on his stepdaughter Zoe, may have been too much for Lisa to handle. As a fan of Johnny, Zoe responded favorably when asked if she was excited to work with Johnny Depp on the project Fantastic Beasts and the Crimes of Grindelwald. She also disclosed that she was unconcerned about the criticism that the film received after Johnny was accused of domestic violence and then cast in the film. Like Zoe, I believe in second chances for certain individuals, depending on the context. Despite the fact that Zoe did not devote much of her interview to Johnny, Amber took issue and commented, "Reading Zoe Kravitz's interview reminds me how badly we need to know actual heroes." Amber was attacked online at the time for attacking Zoe. "Find yourself a hobby." One commenter commented that Amber's propensity of criticizing everyone and everything around her is tiresome. However, if that is her idol, it is because she knows him personally. Jason remained silent regarding his Aquaman co-star, despite the fact that many of Johnny's supporters denounced Amber for attacking Zoe. Lisa was envious earlier this month when rumors circulated that Amber flirted with the Justice League star on the set of Aquaman and Aquaman 2. She wanted to maintain a distance from Amber since she had doubts that she would do anything to advance her career. If this was true, it was never confirmed because she would never voice her anger in public. Lisa apparently is friends with Johnny, who continues to accuse Amber of domestic violence and has filed a $50 million defamation lawsuit against her for labeling him a wife-beater. Supposedly, Lisa's apprehensions regarding her marriage arise from her history of connections with male artists with whom she has previously collaborated with. One of them is her ex-husband, with whom she co-starred with in The Rum Diary. Amber detests Jason's continued support for Zoe. The Aquaman star attended the New York City premiere of The Batman, in which Zoe plays Selina Kyle, better known as Catwoman. He has always cherished Zoe. This has not changed. He went there to show support. The source close to Jason tells People magazine that he's always believed in the family and is attending the premiere to express his support for the family because that's what he does and who he is. There's nothing else to it. According to The Insider, despite his tight travel schedule, Jason made a special effort to see the Batman actor. According to The Insider, he prioritizes his family and is close to Lenny Kravitz. Everything with Jason is relatively easygoing. That is who he is. Additionally, Jason posted an Instagram photo of himself and Channing Tatum boarding an aircraft to attend Zoe's premiere. The caption stated, "Channing Tatum and I are on our way to witness the premiere of Zozo." Jason began the caption for the photo that he posted of himself and Zoe's boyfriend, Channing Tatum. In the Warner Brothers films and the DC Extended Universe, Jason portrays Aquaman. He has continued to show support for Zoe despite his recent divorce from her mother, Lisa. Previously, Jason uploaded an Instagram photo of a Batman poster with the caption, "Really proud and can't wait for March 4th. Love you, Zozo." Amber's jealousy is common knowledge, yet you may question why she would be resentful of Jason's statements about Zoe. Amber views Zoe as a threat. What proof do I have that Amber and Jason are potentially dating? Let's get straight into it. Jason Momoa has remained silent on Amber Heard's case during all court proceedings to date. The $50 million defamation trial between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard has grabbed the attention of other celebrities, including Aquaman's Jason Momoa. In light of recent events, some fans wonder whether Momoa and Heard have an off-screen romance or whether their relationship is strictly professional. When Momoa began following Depp on Instagram, reports of a feud between the Aquaman co-stars spread. Some have seen Momoa's action as a show of his support for the veteran actor, while others feel he did it at the behest of his public relations team to demonstrate his neutrality. Momoa and Heard continue to follow each other on Instagram, but it is unknown if they continue to interact. Numerous Aquaman fans believe that Momoa's thoughts and opinions on the defamation case are crucial, at least from a PR perspective. Heard is his co-star, and she has a direct link to the property that he has championed from the beginning. Therefore, her defamation case could have a negative effect on his highly anticipated next project, Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom. In light of this, a statement from Momoa could soothe some of the frustrations currently plaguing the Aquaman fandom. Up to this point, Momoa has been silent during the course of the court proceedings, refusing to make a public statement stating his stance on the issue. One unsatisfied supporter even referred to him as a coward for not speaking out about Heard's health, claiming that his voice would have made a major difference if only he would use it. Even Momoa turning down the role of Aquaman would have a tremendous impact, and I'm sure that he has financial resources to do so.